Good morning, internet. Welcome to my channel. I'm Aditya. So today I'm planning for a moto camping in Javadhu Hills. Javadhu Hills is a Eastern Ghat. It expands from Salem to Vellore. So today me and my buddy, we both are going to camp here, camp for the night. So it's just a one-day trip. Before going to the video, let me explain my plan and how we are going to reach that place, the camping place. So this is what the Google recommends when we put the link and the direction. So we avoided this road because it's too crowded with bus, trucks and other vehicles. We wanted to have a scenic ride so that we'll enjoy the ride. It's about 4 to 5 hours of riding. So we are starting from Walajabad. We're taking a road from Walajabad from Cheyar to Vandhvasi, then to Polur, and then to Chengam, and then to the place where we're going to camp. So we had a few areas where we can camp. We had a few we've spotted few areas where we can camp, but we ended up camping in the best spot. I'm going to add all those parts in the description. Please do continue watching the video. நீ கொஞ்ச நேரத்துல பாரு, இப்ப மழை பெய்யும், இது நனையும்.
அதான் இந்த கவர் எடுத்த மச்சி நான் வந்து என்னாச்சு அதுக்கு முன்னாடி பேக் பண்ணிட்டேனா கவர் போட்டு திருப்பி பிரிச்சு கட்டினா வேலைக்கு லேட் ஆகும். பணம் தான் பார்த்துக்கலாம் வா.
யாரை பார்த்துப்பேன்?
பார்த்துக்கலாம் மச்சி வா. நான் ஆரம்பிச்சிருவோம் வா. நிறையா இருக்கு.
So officially this trip begins. போலாம். Here we go. This is why we chose this road.
சரி நீ சாப்பிடல, சரி எனக்கும் லைட்டாக பசிச்சு காலைல சீக்கிரம். ஆனால் காலைல ஃபுல்லாக சாப்பிடுவோம். காலைல ஸ்கிப் பண்ணுவோம், காலைல சாப்பிடுவோம். கிட்ட எழுச்சி காலைல நார்மலாக நார்மலாக 7:00 எம்ஜிஆர் ஃபேனா நீங்க? ஓ எம்ஜிஆர் ஃபேனா?
அதுக்கா பார்த்து எப்படி சொல்றீங்களா? அந்த காலத்துல இருந்துட்டோம் நாங்கள். இப்போலாம் அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது, எல்லாம் மாறி போச்சு, அவங்களோட போயிடுச்சு.
கடை எவ்வளோ பழசு
சார்?
கடை எப்போ இருந்து வச்சுக்கிட்டீங்க?
நான் கடை வந்து 45 வருஷம் ஆகுது. 4 நாள் இட்லி, இன்னைக்கு 5 ரூபாய் இட்லி, 10 காசு போண்டா. மாறி போச்சு எல்லாம். இப்போலாம் அதெல்லாம் இதுவாகாது.
இந்த ஊர் பேரானது
ஐயா பெருநகர்
பெருநகர்.
காஞ்சிபுரம் வந்தவாசி சாலை பெருநகர்.
சரி சரி.
போமா. I think we entered the hilly roads. We are right in the foothills. It's about 20 kilometers. So yeah, 20 kilometers of hilly roads. Check out the place. Hi guys, so we are just checking for camping site. I think I found treasure. The only problem is the water is white in color. I have never seen water in this color. So I think it's a bad water, but the place is awesome. I think we found a gold spot, but we are thinking of going a little more up and checking one place also. If that place is not so good, we'll come back here and we'll pitch the tent over here. We have a good space. We have some water with ourselves, and this water we won't touch. So let's go and check that place out, then come back here. I think the place is getting prettier and prettier, so I don't think so we'll go back to that spot, because look at this place, compare it with that place, and this place wins. பார்த்துக்கலாம். there is this quote in Stoic philosophy. It says that I will say the meaning. It says that in your youth, if you haven't touched its limit, body and soul, if you haven't touched the limits of your body and soul, in the old age, you will regret it. So that's what the philosopher from the Greece said. I think it's a beautiful line. It motivates me in these times, so it motivates me to push more and go on. I'm carrying a huge amount of luggage. Hoi! Irka Arvi? Tanni irka? Water? Do you have water? Do you have Arvi? Do you have faults? So finally we are here. It took me about 40 minutes to reach because we were carrying a huge amount of luggage. I will link this place, Google Maps link, I will put it in the description. You should come and visit this place because of this view. And that's where you camp. என்ன பண்றது கிளம்பலாமா என்ன It's raining like shit and I'm in my tent right now with my shoes on.
It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Very good morning. And there was a heavy rain yesterday.
we survived. So please check out the view. It's awesome. Morning, guys. Yesterday morning it was raining like hell. We survived anyways. We had a backup plan that if this place got flooded, we'll pack up the tent and head back to our bikes. But that didn't happen. So thanks for the sweet stay. I will thank this place. I slept like a log. After 12:30, I think the rain stopped, and there were sounds from the woods. Sounds like I don't know. It was a weird sound, and my mind was going like I don't know. It was a little scary. So, as it's my first time staying in the jungle. It was a good experience, and we survived. I think that's the important thing. And the morning is beautiful here. We should next time. I will be more prepared for the camping and the experience. Okay, one last time I will show you the place, and I will end the vlog. So it was an awesome camping trip, moto-camping trip. So see you next time. Till then, bye from here. And please subscribe and click that bell icon, and please share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.